Most people don't know how to rest. When was the last time you really rest? I bet you'd say every day, but scrolling TikTok, binge watching Netflix or Amazon Prime, hours of self-help videos, stressing about unread work emails, or even playing video games with friends are definitely not rest. They are fake rest. Instead, you need real rest. We live in time that glorify non-stop working. We even brag about not having a good sleep just to finish a project or whatsoever. And if you're not grinding 24/7, are you even a worthy human being? But you know what? We're exhausted from all of that. We are exhausted from pretending to be okay. We are exhausted from the non-stop grinding. We are exhausted by the people around us. But we can't even rest because we don't know how. We think it's being couch potatoes, unproductive, watching movies, or playing video games. The real rest is none of that. It is about being mindful. I investigated athletes, billionaires, and even monks' lifestyle. They all do the real rest. 1. What is the fake rest and the real rest? Fake rest feels like you're pausing, but your brain is still running a marathon. All the previous examples from doom, scrolling your phone mindlessly, binge-watching shows, playing video, or thinking about work or school are fake rest. The real rest is activities that lower your cortisol, heart rate, and brainwave activity, the one that makes you more grounded and more in the present moment. Here are some examples. Walks in nature, deep breathing, or doing something creative. This awareness is the foundation to leveling up the rest of the system. But this means nothing if we don't pinpoint why we avoid resting. 2. The stigma behind resting. The reason we avoid resting is because of the guilt and shame that comes with it. If you are not grinding or doing something that can better your future, then you are worthless. But the thing we don't get is we need rest to function. We are human, not androids. Even androids need to recharge. 3. How to do it? A. Set an alarm on your phone daily at a certain time. B. Prioritize and take it seriously. Your health depends on it. C. Try different types of rest. Walks in nature, deep breathing, or doing something creative. See which one of them recharge your energy mentally and physically. D. Rewire your brain. It's not guilt. It's to become more productive. Rest is about being mindful. Most people think the harder you grind, the faster you win. But the truth is, the people who know how to rest with purpose move smarter, faster, and longer than everyone else. If you find this valuable and you want more to upgrade your life, show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. See you next time.